Throughout the professional counselor orientation course, I have learned several things. I have already obtained a degree in education and human services and a degree in psychology. The counseling platform I expected to be geared towards the application of psychology. Due to my background, I did understand quite a bit of the concepts throughout the course. I was a bit taken back to discover this course would not discuss psychological theories, assessment measures, diagnosis, and therapeutic orientations in detail. I'm sure that will come later because this course was getting me ready for what is to come. As a future counselor, it is vital for me to identify who I am as a counselor, who I want to serve, and self evaluate my own wellness. This course sets the stage for answering the tough questions of am I in the right place? As technology increases, the future of counseling will change. As a future counselor, I must be adaptable. I currently work in a technology based profession as I teach technological protocols to ensure customer security and privacy of sensitive information. This is why this last chapter intrigued me about the future of counseling using apps and telecommunications. I foresee possible ethical violations regarding privacy and security. On the web, there is no guarantee of privacy, it is limited. Although we can do our best to secure the confidential information, there is always going to be that hacker that finds a way around it. Technology is great when it works, but terrible when it breaks down, which can cause other issues with psychotherapy via technology. Convenience allows for more diverse clientele receiving services in more remote locations, but is it worth it, the limited confidentiality? Then there is the home based therapy, which has been utilized in social services. This is also convenient for a clientele by working a flexible schedule in the safety of their own home. There are just a few things I noted about these are just a few things I noted about the future of counseling. In this course, I really had to examine myself with scrutiny. I learned more about who I am and why I am doing this. I also was able to recognize my weaknesses and my strengths as a potential counselor. The counselor wellness assignment resonated with me over all the assignments. I thought being a trauma survivor set me on a course to help other trauma victims, giving me more insight. This may be true to a certain point, but I failed to consider what harm could come if I did not keep myself in check. After doing this assignment, I recognized the potential for vicarious trauma and lack of empathy due to my own individual experiences. I could cause more harm than good to a client if I am not well physically, psychologically, spiritually, emotionally, and intellectually. Though the assessment Through the assessment tools, I could see the full picture of where I lack and make efforts to improve. I still believe I can make a difference by helping others who have suffered trauma. I just need to be more open to my own faults and own them by making the effort to improve. My first-hand experiences have shaped me to have that healing desire. Education has given me the knowledge, my beliefs, the perseverance to fight through, and this path I am pursuing will provide me with the application to be a healer.